my chair now. What am I doing? What is this? But how do I do this? Oh. Well, I suck at this. Oh, okay. It's too skinny. I hate you guys. What is this? Oh, damn it.
Wait for the sheet.
I don't want to do that. That's not fun. Why is there a picture of Hannah Montana right above me? And there's a picture of SpongeBob and a naked Bart Simpson. I've done level 1 like 3 times. I can't stop laughing.
You gotta be focused.
I don't have that. It's like an anorexic. Seems like an anorexic model. Okay. What the hell? What the hell is that crap?
Just hold on to the right.
I have to hold on to the right? I'm not.
Hold on to the right mouse button, you won't lose.
Oh, really? Oh, hey, look, how about that?